Let me show you how to create such ribbed glass effect in Adobe Photoshop. Open image. I have provided image link in description. Now we will have to create new document based on this image size. From File select New. Follow these settings. Make sure that file dimension should be same as image dimension. Select rectangle tool. Make strip kind of shape. Keep fill to black color and stroke to none. You can also change fill and stroke from properties. From layer style select gradient overlay. Follow the settings.
Move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic. Got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous?
Hold Ctrl and left click on rectangle thumbnail to make selection. Go to Edit and select Define Pattern. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect. Hide top layer. Select background layer and press Ctrl plus J to make a copy. Then go to Layer Style, from that select Pattern Overlay. Follow these settings. Now from File select Save As and save this file in PSD format.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get
now go to Image Document. Press Ctrl plus J to make a copy. Right click and convert it into Smart Object. Then go to Filter. From Distort select Displace. Follow these settings. Select the file which we have saved earlier. Add layer mask. From ruler add guideline in between. Make sure to select mask layer. Select rectangular marquee tool and select the portion which we want to keep clear. Make sure foreground color is black. Select Paint Bucket tool. Place and left click on selected portion. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect. Create new layer.
'cause I know that I want it. Know
From
that I
Edit
want it, I'll
select
make it, I
Fill.
promise.
Follow Settings. Now from Layer Style select Pattern Overlay. Follow these settings. Hold Alt key and drag Layer Mask to top layer. Keep Blend Mode to Screen. Decrease the opacity. Ribbed glass effect is ready. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments.